Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video we are going to be learning on how we can go ahead and then actually clear the continue watching series on Netflix. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to clear the continue watching on Netflix, what you have to do is first of all just go ahead and then launch the Netflix application. Once you launch the Netflix application, just go ahead and then log into your profile. And as you log into your profile, in my case I've watched a few shows and series and you can see the continue watching show right over here. So basically you can see all of these, and if I want to remove a continue watching from my list, what I have to do is basically just tap on the three dots which you see right underneath that specific watching series. When I tap on it, I'll enable all these options. So in this case I'll just select the option called remove from row. When I tap on remove from row, it'll ask you, do you want to remove this title from continue watching? So of course you want to just go ahead and then tap on the yes button and it will be successfully removed. And this is how you can remove continue watching on Netflix. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.